we would like to encourage them to speak proper English. So whenever they speak Patwa, we're going to fine them $10. So after Missy said nobody now say nothing, Missy, excuse me, I have something to say. So listen this. My son used to attend a prep school, right? And when I went to the first PTA, you know, you're new to the school, so you just listen and observe. So these people are on the agenda proposing to fine the students at that time, $10 at that time, to fine the students $10 anytime they speak Patwa because they want the students to speak in English. Now, me as a new parent, I wonder if, okay, is this really what I signed up for? But none of the other parents saying anything. They're just sitting there silently and nodding. And the school, the teachers are, yes, yes. So we want the students to speak proper English. We would like to encourage them to speak proper English. So whenever they speak Patwa, we're going to fine them $10. So after Missy said nobody now said nothing, Missy, excuse me, I have something to say. So I got up and I said, I understand what the objective is. I understand that the objective is to improve the students' English language skills. However, I do not want my child to get the impression that whenever he uses the language of his culture, it is something that he should be punished for. A fine is a punishment, and I do not want my child to think that he should be punished for using the language of his culture. Now, after me said that, now at the time, the other parents, them going to say, oh, yes, that's true. Yes, that's true. So anyway, after I said that, and then the other parents, them, everybody jump off of the bandwagon now because other parents now start to think, say, yeah, that makes sense, you know. And then, so the school say, okay, we're going to shelve that. But just imagine if I hadn't spoken up, right? Because clearly other people were thinking and feel some type of way, but they didn't say anything. But this is how, through our schools and through our institutions, we push for all the systems of colonization. We still support them. We still uphold them, right? And that's how they instill in people from an early age that to let you associate Patwa with uneducated, right? To let you associate Patwa with the poor and illiterate and the lowest class, right? So that you think that in order to be considered educated, you have to use English.